In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change audio in Amazon Prime Video. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Prime Video website. Go to your web browser and type in amazon.com/Prime Video. Once there, make sure to sign in to your Amazon account. This is an essential step as it grants you access to your personalized content. Remember, your login details are like your keys to a treasure chest of entertainment. Keep them secure. With your account ready, the next step is to start playing the movie or TV show you want to watch. Simply browse through the catalog and select your desired title. Once you hit play, you'll notice the video player open up on your screen. Now move your mouse over the video player. This action will reveal the playback controls. These controls are crucial, as they allow you to manage your viewing experience. From pausing the video to adjusting the volume, everything is right at your fingertips. Next, look for the subtitles and audio icon. Depending on your browser, this icon may appear as a speech bubble or a subtitle icon. It can be found in either the top right or bottom right corner of the player. Click on this icon to proceed. Under the audio section, you will see a list of available languages. Select your preferred language from this list. Once you make your selection, the audio will switch immediately, provided that the language is available for the title. This quick change ensures you enjoy your content in the language you understand best. It's important to note that not every title includes multiple audio tracks. The availability of languages depends on the specific title and your region. If you only see one language option, it might be the only audio track licensed for your location. This is common, so don't be alarmed if it happens. In cases where your preferred language isn't listed, it's a good idea to check the availability of other content. Different shows and movies may offer different language options. This is largely due to licensing agreements and regional restrictions. Understanding these limitations can save you a lot of time and help you set realistic expectations. Knowing this, you can plan your viewing experience better or explore other titles that might offer the audio options you prefer. At this point, you should have successfully changed the audio language for your movie or TV show. Enjoy watching your content in the language you prefer, creating a more immersive and enjoyable experience. If you have any further questions or run into any issues, Amazon's customer support is always there to help. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation, whether it's a technical glitch or a question about available languages. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to change the audio language on Amazon Prime Video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy exploring all that Prime Video has to offer, now in your preferred language. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.